Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the green screen in CapCut for PC. So I think it's super simple, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. Alright, so select your green screen image or videos. Go to track and how you can remove green screen. Current, just go to cutout in video option and you can select the chroma key or the auto cutout. So I'm going to select the chroma key for this green screen and then select color picker, and so you can select the green color and then strength, just for strength, and shadow till you find or heck, and you can add another image for background. Just move up and select another image to bottom of the green screen image. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys.